It's 88888. What we getting it today?
As y'all seen in my previous video, that steamer, I don't know, maybe I was using it wrong, but not everything from the Goodwill is good. So let's open the $60 brand new steamer. Alright, y'all. I've been wanting to do this, but had to do my grand opening with y'all. You feel me? I should take a little thumbnail. The knife is pretty wide. This so awkward. I'm excited already. This is my little hanger. I have no idea what this is. I'm gonna put it in the bag tonight. I don't want to mess up with that. Anything in here? Yeah! Girl, this is heavy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Child. To get some. Our baby. Yeah, at least you can remove this one. Good boy. I don't want to be getting on my nerves. I'm gonna unwrap the thing first, y'all. So the wire is pretty long for the most part. Is there any wheels? Oh, they got wheels. That's cute. Ugh. What are these clips for? We just want to steam, guys. Y'all not hate instructions. Girl, I'm about to watch a video, y'all. Like, wait, so what is this for? This gotta be like the pole or something. Why is it low-key my height? Like, low-key my height. Okay. Just using common sense before I watch the video. Now this, I don't know what this is for. Is this like a replacement rod or something? Now what is this for? I don't know. I'm about to watch a video, y'all. After not being able to find a video, I just realized how dumb I was. I could have literally just looked at the box, like. So, figured out how to put the pole up. So this right here goes at the bottom. I clamp it on, and these two clamps is for the top hanger. Crazy, bro. Bro, I be sounding like an old lady. Yo, how the freak you get this? I'm trying to screw this on, but obviously it don't want to be screwed on. What the freak is wrong with it? Okay. Like, why is the wire like that? That's my red flag, yo. Like, what the heck? I'm about to go fill this up, y'all. And I'm gonna heat it up and I'm gonna see what it do. Y'all, I'm back with sink water. I just literally spilled it because I didn't know this little button makes the water come out. Ooh, I'm about to put this in place. Why it look like it's leaking already? Why is it doing this, y'all? That's weird. Why is it bubbling already? I'm about to go plug it up. I just turned it on. I just plugged it in. Now I gotta turn it on. We about to use the wrinkless shirt. Well, this really a jacket, but yeah, y'all see how wrinkled this is. Let's see what it do. How long is the heat up time? Yeah, we need another shirt, y'all. Look at it. It's not as wrinkled no more, y'all. So I said it's a good 10 out of 10. Y'all better go buy y'all a steamer. But nah, I'm just about to have fun now. But I just gotta figure out how to situate this right on there. Maybe I can use a Christmas shirt. All I can say is it's looking better because it was real wrinkled before. So y'all better get y'all one.
You watch your day. Thanks for watching.